Hi, I am Chris, co-founder of NutriBot, and at this video I will show you the customer journey, so how the meal prep company's clients operate with MealPrep software. The most common approach is that the companies have their own landing page, so they build their own landing page thanks of SEO reasons, so they put the blog and the list of meal plans and their unique selling points and whatever they would like to show, maybe some kind of videos, testimonial, use cases or whatever, and they show it on their landing page. And this landing page redirects to our ordering website as a checkout page. So the most common use case is that NutriBot is used as the checkout process, not the whole landing page. The second approach is that the smaller companies, if then they would like to invest in the landing page, or then they don't have a time for that or something like that, they can use our website to receive the traffic from the internet and convert them for sales. Okay, so if the company uses their own website, after clicking order now, they can redirect to this page. So we can show all the meal plans available in our company, or after clicking the specific meal plan on the landing page, it can redirect to some specific meal plan configuration. So the client can set the details of this meal plan. If the company don't use their own website, they can use our one. So they can add more tabs here, as you can see here. Our website is really customizable, so it can be really simple and straightforward to choose the meal plan and go forward, choose the number of days and place an order, or it can be pretty advanced and you can show more features. I will show you the advanced version to show you the possibilities, which is available in the NutriBot, but please take a look at the simpler version. As you can see, it is the NutriBot website of one of our clients, and it shows really simple and straightforward ordering process. If we compare it to this one, it looks quite different. And I have also here the dark mode version. I think that it looks pretty amazing and different than the others. So let's go back to our demo account. At the very top, you can see the delivery map. You can show your delivery zones as a one huge zone or many smaller zones. Each zone can have different pricing and different price for delivery, and also different hours of delivery. Then you can show the menu, so the client can check the menu for each different meal plan, each variant. You can show really simple menu as only simple names, or you can show it more advanced. You can add the photos of meals, you can add the macros, ingredients, or even the allergens. And there is also simple tags which can show the most important things about the meals. The menu can be different each day, they can be the same for the whole week. It is up of the offer of the company. Then we have the pricing, so you can show the huge overview about the pricing based on the pickup points, delivery, and for all meal plans, variants, zones, and so on. There is also a news section, so you can create some kind of blog posts and show them to your clients. And the contact section. You can show all important links like your social media, Facebook, WhatsApp contact, YouTube channel, or whatever you want. You can show at the map where your company is located, and you can show the opening hours and different kind of information like scheduler with your dietitian. Then you can even show the BMR calculator, when the client can calculate based on his measurements and physical activities and goals how many calories they should eat. At the very top there is also login section. If they already have the account, they can log in, or they can change the language. There is a lot of different languages. About the order process, they can choose between the meal plans categories, and if they choose their meal plan, they can choose the variant. The variant means that how many meals per day they would like to eat. So for example, full day with 5 meals or only 4 meals or whatever you would like to offer. Then they can choose the portion size. It can be small, medium, large. There can be only one portion size, or you can even show the calorific amounts, how many calories daily they would like to eat. It is all up to your meal prep offer. Then there is the delivery days, so they can choose the period of delivery starting from the manual selection. You can set it as you want, so starting from the really custom manual selection like that one, or you can show the weekly delivery. like this one, so the ready-made packages, or weekly with weekends, and they need to start on Monday, or delivery every second day. So for example, like here, so you can see that we have delivery every second day, and they can't start from Tuesday, for example. After choosing interesting period, there is at the very top exclusion. You can allow for that or not, so the client can choose one of the available exclusions, or they can add a note, for example, I don't like the garlic. So it can be a simple note, or it can be the checkboxes, if you allow for that, because you can turn it off. Then the client can choose his menu. Of course, they can skip the selection, or you can hide it, and the menu choosing can be possible only in the mobile apps or after placing an order. But if you allow for that, the client can make changes directly in the ordering process. As you can see, when I am choosing meals, the smart chart shows me how many calories I have chosen and how many macros it includes. After choosing menu day by day, I can go forward and add some extras to my meal plan. For example, plastic cutlery, vegan cake for the Friday's guests, or a few energy bars at the very beginning of my meal plan. Then when we go forward, we can choose one of the available pickup points, so I can order from the pickup point, or I can add the delivery address. Now I can see at the map if my address is correct. I can choose the preferred delivery time, place of the delivery. I can add additional information for the driver and add my data. After adding the meal plan to the cart, I can continue shopping and add another meal plan for my wife, for example, or I can go to the checkout. If I'm in the cart, I can add the deliver bag deposit, for example, if you require the delivery bags for the drivers. And it can be mandatory, of course. I can check my delivery details. I can create my user account to receive the URL to the mobile app, and then I can manage the meal plan thanks to that. I can choose the payment method, the online payment, cash on delivery, bank transfer. I can even allow for automatical renewals and accept the terms and conditions and place an order. After placing an order, I will receive text message with the confirmation, WhatsApp message with the confirmation, and also the email, and I will show you the next step how to manage the meal plan thanks of the website or thanks of the mobile app in the next videos. Bye!